Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alright class, before we start our class, let's pray first. The chairman please lead us to pray.
Okay, class. Before we start study, let's do a pray together. Pray, begin. Finish.
And now I will take the attendance. Richard,
Present, sir.
Rahmat, Alia,
Present, sir.
and Aisha.
Present, sir.
Alright, before we start our class, let's take a look back at what we already know. Think about multiplication. What 5 times 3 means in addition? Anyone? Yeah,
5 times 3 is equal to 5 times 5 times 5, sir. Sorry, sir. 5 plus 5 plus 5. 3 times.
So multiplication is multiplication is repeated addition, right?
Yes, sir.
And now, what if we repeated the what if we repeated the multiplication itself? What if we repeated the multiplication? In mathematics, we have a shortcut. This multiplication we write as 5 to the power of 5. 5 right here is the base number, and the 5 over there is the exponent. The exponent means how many times we multiply the base on itself. In here, we have times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. It means that the base 5, we multiplied it itself 5 times here. And now I will give you a worksheet and you can discuss it by your groupmate.
Thank you, sir.
Alright, look at the first one in your worksheet. Now imagine yourself as a biologist observing bacteria. In the first phase, they grow 2 to the power of 3. And in the second phase, they multiply by 2 to the power of 4. We know that before this 2 to the power of 3, it means that the base 2 will multiply itself 3 times. So we multiply it 3 times. 2 times 2 times 2. And we times we multiply it by 2 to the power of 4. It means that the base 2 we multiply itself by 2 to the power 4 times. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you calculate normally, you would get the answer easy, right?
Yes.
But what if the question is 2 to the power of 15 times 2 to the power of 100? Would you calculate normally?
I know, sir.
So we need something is define this equation, right?
Yes.
It's 2 to the power of something. Do you have an idea how we get this?
Oh, sir. What if we multiply 15 times 100?
Great answer for Isha. Is anyone else? No. Now we move to the page 2. What is the main question there?
What is the relationship between the exponents when powers with the same base are multiplied?
Alright. Alright, now what is your answer to that question? Group 1, please tell your answer.
After we discussed together, we found that if the base are same, we just need add the power.
And group 2?
The exponent is added. The
Added.
power added.
So you see that we add the power, right?
Yeah.
And now let's move to the page 3. Now move to page 3. I want you to dissect the number and write it the expanded form. Do you get the reason? You understood the assignment?
Yes.
How about group 2? Do you
Yes,
understand the assignment?
Yes.
Okay, move to the page 4. In the number 1, in the number 1 question, you have 2 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 2. What are the exponent in this?
3 and 2.
3 and 2.
3 and 2.
The exponent is 3 and 2. And what the result you got in this?
2 to the power of 5.
2
To the power of
to the
5.
power of 5. So what is the relationship between this and between the question and the result?
There are addition operator.
That's right. They are the addition. 3 times 2 is 5. Now, bentar. Result of 5. And now I have a question here. What if a p to the power of 4 times p to the power of 3? Can you tell what does that mean? P to the power of 4 times p to the power of 3? Yes, yes, yeah?
I think it's mean we multiply p 5 times and we multiply p
4 times.
4 times. Sorry, 4 times and multiply p 3 times and we add it.
You add it.
No, combine it. I'm sorry.
And what the result that you
The
got?
result is p to the power of 7.
The result is p to the power of 7. Does anyone have another answer?
Same.
Same.
Yeah.
So we see that here the base is changed or not?
No.
No.
No. So the base is not changed. And now we move to the page 5. Now we want to verify the theory we have here. Let's back to the question number 1 is 2 times to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 2. We get the 2 to the power of 5 earlier on that type. Can you find the answer to the 2 to the power of 5? Yes, yes, yes.
32 if I don't get wrong.
32.
Yes.
And we have to verify this.
Okay.
What if the 2 to the power of 4 and 2 to the power of 3?
8.
8 times 2 to the power of 2?
4.
4. What is the result?
Oh.
8 times 4?
Same, sir.
32.
32 also.
32. This is match.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we have proved our theory. And now I want you, each group, the participant want to explain what you got here in the table. Want to go first? Okay,
Yes, sir.
Aisha, please tell us what you got about this material.
Different.
Yeah.
Conclusion.
J-O.
Result.
Result boleh. Group 2.
So the result from group 2 is when we have same base like this, A times C times A the power of D, so we can add the exponent. It becomes C plus D. It is
That's all?
yes, from my group.
Okay, thank you, Aisha. Now it's your turn.
so for my group discussion, we can to verify it, a plus times a to the power of c times a to the power of d. Let's say it's equal to b. To verify it, we can we can find the result of a to the power of c and times it with the result a to the power of d, and it will give the same result with in up.
Right, that's all.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. We see that here from the result from group number 2 is the same as with our theory before, right?
Yes, sir.
And from group 1 we verified this theory. That's all about this class. Now I will close this class by saying Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillahirobbilalamin.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, sir.